Welcome to my channel Honest Auto Wheels, where we dive deep inside the world of premium vehicles. And today, you're about to experience something truly special. Imagine a van that blends executive-class luxury, cutting-edge technology, and legendary Toyota reliability into one powerful package. This is not just a people mover. This is a rolling office, a family lounge, and a luxury shuttle all in one. Get ready, because we're going inside the 2026 Toyota Hiace luxury van. And by the end of this video, the price, features, and smooth performance might genuinely surprise you. The 2026 Toyota Hiace luxury van arrives with a bold yet refined exterior that clearly separates it from ordinary commercial vans. Toyota has managed to keep the iconic Hiace silhouette while upgrading it with a far more premium and executive presence. The front fascia feels modern and confident, featuring a redesigned grille with chrome accents that instantly signal luxury rather than utility. The sharp LED headlights sit perfectly on either side, offering excellent night visibility while adding a clean, upscale look. Daytime running lights give it that high-end touch usually seen on luxury SUVs. From the side, the Hiace looks long, solid, and well-proportioned, emphasizing comfort and stability. The sliding doors are smooth and wide, making entry and exit effortless even in tight parking spaces. Large tinted windows not only enhance privacy for passengers inside, but also help maintain a cooler cabin temperature. Premium alloy wheels replace the basic steel setup, giving the van a polished, executive stance. At the rear, the design stays clean and practical, with vertical LED taillights, a wide-opening tailgate, and subtle chrome detailing that finishes the look with class. Overall, the exterior design tells you one thing clearly. This Hiace is built to impress executives, families, and luxury transport users alike. Step inside the cabin, and the transformation is immediate. The cockpit of the 2026 Toyota Hiace luxury van feels more like a modern SUV than a traditional van. Toyota has completely elevated the driving environment with premium materials, thoughtful design, and smart technology. The dashboard is clean and well laid out, with soft touch surfaces, wood or brushed metal accents depending on the trim, and a sense of durability that Toyota is famous for. Right at the center is a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and voice commands. The interface is smooth, responsive, and easy to use, even while driving. Navigation, media, vehicle settings, and camera views are all accessible with just a few taps. The digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel provides clear information about speed, fuel economy, driving modes, and safety alerts, making long journeys less tiring and more controlled. The steering wheel itself feels premium in hand, wrapped in leather with mounted controls for audio, calls, and cruise control. The driver's seat is height adjustable, well cushioned, and designed for long hours behind the wheel without fatigue. Excellent visibility from the large windshield and side mirrors make city driving and highway cruising surprisingly easy. For a vehicle of this size, climate control vents are thoughtfully placed, ensuring the driver and front passenger remain comfortable no matter the weather outside. Now this is where the 2026 Toyota Hiace luxury van truly shines. The rear interior. Step into the passenger area, and it feels like entering a luxury lounge on wheels. Toyota has focused heavily on comfort, space, and a premium experience, making this van perfect for VIP transport, business executives, or families who demand first-class travel. The seating arrangement is a combination of plush captain chairs and comfortable sofas, depending on configuration. The individual chairs are wide, deeply cushioned, and often feature armrests, reclining functions, and even leg support in higher trims. Upholstered in premium leather or high-quality fabric, these seats are designed to offer maximum comfort. During long-distance journeys, passengers can relax, stretch out, and enjoy the ride in complete comfort. Between the seats, you'll find smart storage compartments, cup holders, and sometimes even small tables, turning the cabin into a mobile, office, or relaxation space. Ambient lighting softly illuminates the interior, creating a calm and luxurious atmosphere, especially during night drives. Large side windows bring in natural light during the day, while electric sunshades provide privacy when needed. Mounted elegantly within the cabin is a large LCD TV screen, perfectly positioned for rear passengers. This entertainment system transforms long trips into enjoyable experiences, whether you're watching movies, presentations, or connecting devices for media playback. Combined with the premium sound system, the audio experience feels rich and immersive, making the Hiace feel closer to a luxury MPV than a van. The rear climate control system ensures every passenger enjoys their ideal temperature. Multiple air vents and independent controls keep airflow evenly distributed throughout the cabin. Noise insulation has been significantly improved, so road noise and engine sound stay outside, allowing conversations, calls, or relaxation to happen in peace. Toyota has clearly designed this space with comfort and prestige in mind. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Hiace luxury van delivers smooth, reliable, and efficient performance that matches its premium character. Depending on the market, Toyota offers advanced diesel and petrol engine options, with some regions also seeing mild hybrid enhancements. The most popular setup is a refined turbo diesel engine that produces strong torque, making it ideal for carrying passengers and luggage without feeling heavy or sluggish. Power delivery is smooth and consistent, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. The automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, prioritizing comfort over aggressive performance, which is exactly what a luxury van should do. Acceleration feels confident, and overtaking is stress-free. Even when the van is fully loaded, the suspension system is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps, potholes, and uneven roads with ease. This results in a stable, composed ride that keeps passengers comfortable no matter the road conditions. Steering feels light yet precise, making the Hiace surprisingly easy to maneuver for its size. Long-distance travel feels relaxed, controlled, and fatigue-free. When it comes to safety and smart features, Toyota leaves nothing behind. The 2026 Hiace luxury van is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and multiple airbags throughout the cabin. A 360-degree camera or rear-view camera assists with parking and tight maneuvers, adding confidence for drivers in busy urban environments. Fuel efficiency remains impressive for a vehicle of this size, thanks to Toyota's engineering focus on balance and reliability. Maintenance costs are expected to stay reasonable, and Toyota's reputation for long-term durability adds peace of mind for owners and fleet operators alike. Now let's talk about price and value. The 2026 Toyota Hiace luxury van is positioned as a premium offering, but when you consider what it delivers, the value becomes clear. Pricing varies by market and configuration, but it typically sits well below luxury SUVs and MPVs while offering more space, comfort, and versatility. For executive transport businesses, families, or anyone needing luxury with practicality, this van offers exceptional return on investment.